Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Louisville. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's address bar. Type down louisvilleky.gov and you need to enter it. And once inside this homepage, over here select the city services in the top. And from here select this pay a parking ticket. And over here scroll a bit down and select this paying online here. After that, scroll a bit down again here. What you need to do is you need to type down the citation number. And over here, select the state that you're from. And after that, type down the plate number of yours. And select this search citation. And after that, you can look up your eligible citation using the information requested. You can review the fine and cost and complete the online payment. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.